Let us continue with our lesson, and the next step is to have a function to retrieve all of our data. So for that I will just create a one new function over here. Let's say a public a function of, let's say, a get all tags. So get all tags and sorry get all tags, and let us pass I think we don't need to pass any parameter. And actually let me arrange it. Get all tags, and I will create one variable of a data which equals to, let's say, we'll get from tags all. So this will return all of the record that the tags table has, and we just have to return a response of a JSON format. And here I will pass the data that we are getting from a database and a response code of a 200. So that should be easy enough. So we are just getting all of the record from a task, and we are assigning the value to our data, and we are returning just it to our as a JSON format. And we are also sending the status of 200. And I think that's all. So that's just an easy way, just one line of code to get the data and to return it. So we have set the get all tags function. So let us commit it everything, and let's get that add, and let us commit it. We have added a function, added function. The function is get all tags, and just hit enter. And what we'll do is we'll just push it, just go over here and push it to the GitHub, and that should push everything to the GitHub. And let's go to our GitHub over here, and in the GitHub we will go to the pull request, and I think we should have some new pull request. And for master, the base is a master, and we want to compare from a dev. So in the dev we have a few commit already. Function is store update tags, destroy tags function, added a function to get all tags. So we have a 3 commit that we need to merge it to a master branch. So if you go to the master branch, you will not find this record, so we need to merge it. So for that, what we will do is we just create a new pull request, create a pull request, and it will just check the ability to merge, and the branch has no conflict. Then just merge the pull request and confirm it. So that will merge everything to our master branch. And if you go to the pull request, we don't have any, we have already closed. Just go to to-do, and in the master branch we should go to the app over here, go to the HTTP and controller and API. We have a task, and this task controller should get all the data. So we have this function already, so that's up to date everything. And what we can also do now is let's go back to our PHP Storm or the IDE, and let's switch back to the master branch. So I will just use a git, and I will just check out as b2, not the branch, sorry, git out the checkout to master branch, and set it the what we have is your local change of the following file is overwritten either works. Please commit the change before switching to branch. So if you check the git status, the file has been modified, that's why it's not allowing us to switch to the master branch. And I can just say git add, and we just need to, sorry, no change or commit, git add, Okay, git add. Okay, and let's commit that add and get the, let's say, status. Let us check the status. Okay, it's an added, and let us commit. Okay, added. Not, we didn't add any function. It's just swit switch to master, and let's switch back to the master. Check out to the master branch, and you can see you have switched to the master branch. And if you check the git status now, everything is clean. We need to pull it, and what we can do is git branch, and we are in the master branch. You can see it's in green color, and we have asterisk sign, and we can merge everything from a dev branch. So otherwise we need to pull everything from a remote branch, but what we can do is we can merge it from a local branch. So how to merge it is git, and I can say merge merge from a dev. So that has merged everything now, and git status, and we can use a git pull. If you use a git pull, then it will pull everything from the our GitHub. So whatever change we have made it to our GitHub over here in the master branch, that should be added to our local branch over here. Let's try to pull it whether if we have any update, and it will try to connect everything, and you can see that it's already up to date. It's already up to date means that we have already merged from a dev branch to the master branch. That's why everything is up to date. And let's switch back to git check out to dev branch again, because we want to continue work with the dev branch. Sorry, the spelling mistake is git check out dev, and now we are in a dev branch, and if you check our git branch, we are in a dev branch. So that's all for this lesson, and on the next lesson we'll go and test out all of our API that we have already set. Okay, I think before we test out, we also need to create the API, the route over here. So on the next lesson we'll go and create it. So that's all for this lesson. We'll meet up in our next lecture. Till then, have a great day.